Facebook's revenue grew 49% in the fourth quarter, as mobile advertising growth helped the world's largest internet social network beat Wall Street's targets for earnings and sales. But revenue growth was the weakest since the start of 2013, and spending rose faster. Facebook shares fell about 2.6% in after-hours trade, after vacillating above and below the closing price. Facebook reported fourth-quarter profits of $701 million, a 34% increase on the same period a year ago. Total profits for the year were $2.9 billion, almost double the total for 2013.
Facebook did exceed expectations. One of the most interesting things about the company, frankly, is that its reliance on mobile devices is really growing. The number of people who use Facebook through a mobile device is stunning. They're reaching into the top 80% of people who are logging onto the network either daily or monthly are doing so on a mobile device.
The company said on Wednesday it ended 2014 with 1.39 billion monthly users, with 86% of them accessing its service on smartphones and other mobile devices. Mobile ads accounted for 69% of advertising revenue in the fourth quarter, or $2.48 billion. Many investors are betting that video ads, which Facebook began offering last year, will provide the company's next leg of growth.
Well, right now, investors pretty much had expected a lot of what Facebook said. They did do better than most analyst estimates, but at the same time, one of the things that's challenging Facebook is their costs, which is something, by the way, we've heard about other companies. Google, for a long time, the story around them was costs. And so Facebook is growing its headcount quite aggressively. They are doing a lot of acquisitions still. And so investors are still getting their kind of heads wrapped around this idea that this company is not going to just sit back, make money, return money to investors. They're really going to be aggressive in their spending, and they believe the aggressive spending is going to win out over time. But a lot of this aggressive spending, again, $2 billion on Oculus, this thing's not going to become a real thing, Mark Zuckerberg says, until maybe 10 years down the line. I mean, it's going to launch soon, but it's not going to become a meaningful business, as he calls it, for a very long time.
Facebook has warned that 2015 will be a year of heavy investment as the company steps up its efforts to expand a collection of products that include messaging service WhatsApp, photo sharing service Instagram, and virtual reality headset maker Oculus Rift. Facebook's revenue growth during the fourth quarter was exceeded by its operating expenses, which grew roughly 87% as a result of sharp increases in research and development costs and marketing and sales spending.